Buy now, pay later. Services are everywhere. From the bustling shopping streets to the convenience of our smartphones, these services have become a ubiquitous part of our shopping experience. They promise instant gratification, allowing us to acquire the latest gadgets, fashion items, and more without the immediate financial burden. But what exactly makes them so appealing? They are tempting us with that new gadget or those shoes we just have to have. The allure lies in the ability to enjoy these items now and pay for them later, often in manageable installments. This can be particularly enticing during sales or when a must-have item is within reach but just outside our current budget. It's so easy to click that BNPL button at checkout. With just a few clicks, the item is yours and the payment is deferred. This seamless integration into online shopping platforms makes it almost too convenient, reducing the friction of making a purchase and encouraging spontaneous buying decisions. But are these services really as good as they seem? While the immediate benefits are clear, it's important to consider the long-term implications. The ease of access and deferred payments can sometimes lead to overspending and accumulating debt, which can be a significant burden down the line. Like anything else, there are two sides to the BNPL coin. On one hand, it offers flexibility and the ability to manage cash flow more effectively. On the other hand, it can lead to financial strain if not used responsibly. It's a delicate balance that requires careful consideration and self-discipline. It's vital to understand both the benefits and the risks before you sign up. Reading the terms and conditions thoroughly can help you avoid hidden fees and interest rates that might catch you off guard. Consulting with a financial advisor can also provide valuable insights into whether BNPL is a suitable option for your financial situation. Don't worry, we'll break it all down for you right here. In this series, we'll explore the ins and outs of buy now, pay later services, helping you make informed decisions. From understanding how these services work to evaluating their impact on your financial health, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of BNPL and uncover the truths behind the convenience. BNPL is pretty straightforward. Let's say you want a new TV. Instead of paying the full price upfront, BNPL lets you spread the cost over several installments. Usually these payments are interest-free if you pay on time. Sounds great, right? Just remember, there are often late fees if you miss a payment. BNPL offers some clear advantages. First, it makes budgeting easier, especially for larger purchases. Second, it can be a lifesaver in emergencies, allowing you to get what you need immediately. Third, if you're disciplined and pay on time, it can be a way to avoid interest charges on your purchases. While BNPL can be convenient, it also comes with potential risks, particularly for your credit score. Buy now, pay later services have surged in popularity, offering a seemingly easy way to make purchases without immediate financial strain. However, this convenience can mask underlying dangers that can have long-term effects on your financial health. The biggest danger is overspending. When you don't have to pay the full amount upfront, it's easy to lose track of how much you're actually spending. This can lead to a false sense of financial security, encouraging you to make more purchases than you can afford. It's easy to get carried away when you're not paying the full amount upfront. The delayed payment structure can make it seem like you have more disposable income than you actually do. This can quickly snowball into a significant amount of debt, especially if you're using multiple BNPL services simultaneously. This can lead to a pile of debt you can't manage. The ease of making purchases can result in accumulating more debt than you can handle, leading to financial stress and anxiety. The more you buy, the more you owe, and the harder it becomes to keep up with payments. Missed payments can also negatively impact your credit score, making it harder to get loans in the future. Each missed payment is reported to credit bureaus, which can significantly lower your credit score. This not only affects your ability to secure loans, but can also result in higher interest rates and less favorable terms when you do qualify for credit. It's crucial to be aware of these risks and manage your spending carefully to avoid falling into a debt trap. Believe it or not, buy now, pay later can actually help you build credit if used responsibly. Some providers report on-time payments to credit bureaus. This can be a good way to establish a positive credit history, especially for young adults or those new to credit. However, always check with the provider to see if they report to credit bureaus. Just as BNPL can improve your credit, it can also hurt it if you're not careful. Late payments are a major red flag for lenders. They signal that you might be unreliable with managing your finances. Additionally, opening multiple BNPL accounts in a short period can be seen as risky behavior by credit bureaus. This can lead to a lower credit score. The golden rule of using BNPL is to only buy what you can afford to repay. Before you click that buy button, make sure the installments fit comfortably into your budget. Treat BNPL payments like any other essential expense. Don't overstretch yourself just to get that instant gratification. Not all BNPL providers report to credit bureaus. This is crucial information to have before you sign up. If you're trying to build credit, choose a provider that reports on-time payments. However, be extra cautious if you tend to miss payments. A provider that doesn't report might be a safer option to protect your credit score. Remember, BNPL is a tool, not a free pass to overspend. It's easy to get carried away with the convenience of buy now, pay later services, but it's crucial to approach them with a clear strategy. Just because you can delay payments doesn't mean you should make purchases you wouldn't otherwise consider. Always keep in mind that these payments will eventually come due, and you need to be prepared for them. Use it wisely to make your life easier, not harder. The goal of BNPL is to provide financial flexibility, not to create additional stress. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you truly need and if you can manage the payments without straining your budget. It's also helpful to compare prices and look for the best deals to ensure you're getting the most value for your money. Here are some key takeaways. First, always plan ahead. Think about your upcoming expenses and how a BNPL purchase will fit into your overall financial picture. It's important to have a clear understanding of your financial commitments and to prioritize your spending accordingly. Set a strict budget and stick to it. Creating a budget helps you keep track of your income and expenses, ensuring that you don't overspend. Allocate a specific amount for BNPL payments and make sure it doesn't exceed what you can comfortably afford. This will help you avoid falling into debt and maintain financial stability. Only use BNPL for purchases you can afford. It's tempting to use BNPL for larger, more expensive items, but it's essential to be realistic about your financial situation. If you wouldn't be able to pay for the item upfront, reconsider whether it's a necessary purchase. BNPL should be a convenience, not a crutch. Choose a provider that aligns with your credit goals. Different BNPL providers offer various terms and conditions, so it's important to do your research. Look for a provider that offers favorable interest rates, flexible payment plans, and good customer service. Reading reviews and comparing options can help you make an informed decision that supports your financial goals. Set up payment reminders to avoid late fees. Missing a payment can result in hefty late fees and negatively impact your credit score. Use calendar alerts, apps, or any other tools at your disposal to ensure you never miss a payment. Staying organized and proactive can save you money and protect your credit. Most importantly, read the fine print. Every BNPL service has its own set of terms and conditions, and it's crucial to understand them before committing. Pay attention to interest rates, fees, and any other charges that may apply. Knowing the details can help you avoid unexpected costs and make the most of the service. BNPL can be a helpful tool when used responsibly. It offers a convenient way to manage your finances and make purchases without immediate financial strain. However, it's important to use it with caution and mindfulness. By following these tips, you can enjoy the benefits of BNPL without falling into common pitfalls. By understanding the risks and rewards, you can make informed decisions that benefit your financial well-being. Educate yourself about the potential impacts on your credit score, the costs involved, and the best practices for managing BNPL payments. With the right approach, BNPL can be a valuable addition to your financial toolkit, helping you achieve your goals while maintaining financial health.